Hey friends, if you wish to fix application error, a client-side exception has occurred in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. This occurs on browsers, and the first approach will be to clear the browser cache and cookies. So let us assume that the browser was Microsoft Edge. It would be very similar for other browsers like Chrome because it's a Chromium based browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Click on the bin symbol, select the time range as all time, make sure that cookies and cache are selected. Click on clear now. If this does not help, then try clearing the browser extension. So click on the three dots once again and select extensions. Go to manage extensions and remove any extension that is present here. The next solution will be to update the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback, and then select about Microsoft Edge. The browser will be updated. The last solution will be to reset the browser. So to reset the browser, go to the reset settings panel on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to their default values and then finally click on reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.